Hey guys, hope you're well. So it's kind of weird because it's the summer and I'm feeling really chilly these days. Like my hands are freezing. I'm hoping to turn on the heater, but instead of doing that, might as well make a really hearty and delicious meal for myself. So today I'm making a really tasty and slightly spicy egg sambal. I'm bringing the water to a boil because I'm making hard-boiled eggs. Okay, now while the eggs are boiling, let's chop up our ingredients. Now first of all, let's slice our onion. Put this aside. The next thing I'm going to slice up is some red chilies. Now in my honest opinion, a good egg sambal has got to be really saucy and spicy. And with the sauce itself, you can just have it straight with naan bread or with rice or even just with a wrap. Now over here, I've got some fresh coriander. I'm just going to roughly chop it up. Okay, now that our eggs are done, we're just going to pour away the hot water and then fill it up with cold water so it's easy for us to peel. Okay guys, so we have our eggs over here all done and all peeled. The next part is just lightly pan fry the eggs so that it gives the outer layer of the skin a bit more texture. We're gonna add some oil into our pan. Now we're gonna put the eggs into the pan. Now the surface of the eggs is starting to brown. Now that is a very nice color and you get like a nice chewy texture over there. Now this is almost done. We're gonna throw in our onions. Ooh. Now what you do next is to add in the chili paste. I'm going to add in the signature chili paste first. Now for this sambal, I'm going to add the full jar. Because I like my egg sambal to be really saucy and full of bold flavors. Now to this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Mak Tok's fire chili paste. I'm adding a bit of water to it. It needs to be saucy, but not too watery. Throwing some of the chilies, while leaving the rest for my garnishing in a bit. There we go. Now here comes the exciting part, my secret ingredient, feta cheese. All you need to do is just crumble them into our egg sambal. Now the feta cheese is gonna give it the savory and saltiness to our egg sambal. We're gonna throw in 3/4 of all the coriander that I've chopped up. And here you go. Alright, now we're going to turn off the heat. I'm going to serve it with the pan. All I'm going to do next is just garnish my dish with the remaining coriander and chilies that I have. So excited! Time to tuck in. It's amazing, guys. So I'm going to try the sauce first on its own. Wow. Wow. It's got like a nice citrusy flavors from the coriander that we use. Oh, and it's spicy. This is good, guys. Let's try the eggs. Come on. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm super pleased with what I've made here today because it's so good. You don't really get the cheesy taste from the feta cheese because it just melts in all together with the sauce. Just the sauce itself, I can have that all day, any time of the day as well. So guys, if it's chilly out there and in here sometimes, I'd really recommend you to try this recipe out. It's so simple to make and it's gonna keep you warm. Trust me on that. If you have any other questions or suggestions, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!